Hey, this is boot camp as I've never seen it before. So we have got KO8 and X-Rig working together. We're in Fly Dubai, whatever this place is called. It's all being set up. This thing can apparently be set up in 2 minutes by one person and dismantles much quicker. This is one of our younger people he's joining in. He's doing pretty good. He can run faster than me. So yeah, we're going to do a whole workout based around this rig today, which should be fun. And Phil's just warming up because I can't do that, so I wasn't doing that. So looking forward to another high energy workout. It's a stunning afternoon. Sun's about to set. We could be on one of these multi-million yacht boats, marina, but no, we're in our sports kit and we're going to be climbing on this. Hey, so we've just done KO8 on the X-Rig or Cross Rig, which is now gone. It literally came down in seconds. We've just done this tug of war. You can see it's on the floor there. I haven't done that since I was probably at school. It was good fun. Brings out the competitiveness in everyone. Yeah, so KO8, X-Rig, both of them really good fun. X-Rig had me doing some pull-ups, which I've never done before in my life, so they were assisted pull-ups, so thanks so much for the poor guy who was giving me a bit of a knee up. But you know, it just shows if you really try, you can kind of make things happen. So he's taught me how to do it if I'm training in a gym, what I can use to help without using gym equipment, without using sort of weights and stuff. You can use some thick elastic bands and do it, just give yourself a bit of support and keep pushing yourself. But you have to come here, this is awesome. Who wouldn't want to train in somewhere like this? Outdoor, still cool enough to train. Come, try it.